In this video, you get to know how to set up the QuintPower acyclic communication via Caparock to get the output voltage of the power supply. After you have completed the configuration of the Caparock GSDML shown in the video tutorial QuintIOL Caparock Tier Portal, you have to do the following steps. Open the Tier software and the corresponding project. Open your FC, which is called in OB1, and declare a network. Under Instructions, select the block RDREC from Extended Instructions and Distributed I/O and drag it into Network 1. As a condition for REQ, use the signal that is to execute the request read output voltage. In our case, we use marker 30.0. To enter the ID, switch to the device configuration and double-click on the used Caparock in the network view. Now scroll down to the used power supply and click on it once. Then select the tab System Constants under Properties. Here you can see the hardware ID, which you now write to the module, in this case 277. The index number to be used can be found in the Caparock manual, which can be downloaded from our website. Here all address ranges are listed at the end. Now look for the range for the output voltage and see that the index is 0 times 00B8. However, this must be converted into a decimal number and is 184. Write this value back to the module. The length of the information to be read out in bytes is required as MLEN. The output voltage has the data type of a word, which corresponds to 2 bytes. At the record point, enter the area in which you want to write the output voltage, in this case in the flag word 400. Now finally transfer the software. Under the watch list, you can now enter the control signal and your memory range of the voltage and set the control signal to 1 and back to 0. Now you can see the output voltage of the power supply unit, which is in this case 24.05 volt by controlling M30.0.